If you want to pay with your POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, first of all, you need to know how to enable or disable NFC, which is used, for example, for payments. So in this case, we need to open the settings. In settings, find more connectivity options. And then in here, we have the NFC option. So we can tap on the switcher to enable or disable it. And it doesn't have to be enabled all the time, just when you are about to pay with your phone. Besides that, you can add the NFC button to the control center over here. So if you don't have it, we can tap on edit and then just look for NFC button somewhere over here in system toggles, and you can add it to the list. So you can tap over here to turn it on or turn it off. Besides that, once you know how to find NFC, we need to go to the Wallet app. So you should be able to find the Google Wallet app, which should be pre-installed, but in case it is not pre-installed, you can go to the Play Store and download it for free. So open the app, and once you are here, you can tap on this plus button in the bottom right corner, and you can choose payment card. You should be able to scan the information of your credit or debit card, or you can press enter details manually at the bottom of the screen if scanning doesn't work, or if you just prefer it that way. And once you fill everything in, you should be able to press on save and continue, and just follow the rest of the instructions in order to add your card. And once the card is added, of course, you can add more cards. You can use more than one. You can add more than one to the Google Wallet app. And that is essentially it. And now you should be able to pay with your phone. Just remember about NFC, that it has to be enabled when you want to make the payment. Your phone must be unlocked as well. And the third thing that you need to remember is that if you actually have more than one card, then you can choose whichever card can be used by default. So if you just want to make the payment with the default card, then you just need to meet these two criteria. You don't have to open the Wallet app, but if you want to pay with another card different than the default one, then of course you want to go to the Wallet app and choose the card as well. And that is all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.